Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel where we turn ordinary houses into extraordinary homes. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into an architectural trend that is completely transforming how we think about living spaces: modern-style modular homes. Modern-style modular home design refers to a construction method where the house is built in sections or modules inside a controlled factory environment, which are then transported to the building site and assembled. The modern aspect refers to the architectural aesthetic applied to these structures, characterized by clean lines, minimalist geometry, large expansive windows, open floor plans, and a sophisticated integration of industrial materials like steel, glass, and sustainable timber. It marries the efficiency and precision of prefabrication with the cutting-edge, artistic sensibilities of contemporary residential architecture, resulting in homes that feel high-end, bespoke, and environmentally conscious. The benefits of choosing a modern modular home go far beyond their striking appearance. First and foremost is efficiency. Because these homes are constructed in a factory, the building process is significantly faster than traditional site-built homes, largely unaffected by adverse weather conditions. This controlled environment also ensures a higher level of construction precision and material waste reduction, making them an incredibly sustainable choice. Additionally, modular homes are built for durability, engineered to withstand the stresses of transportation and installation, which often results in a sturdier structural framework. From a financial perspective, the streamlined construction process leads to predictable costs and shorter timelines, providing homeowners with a high-quality, architecturally significant residence that offers exceptional value for money. Decorating the exterior of a modern modular home is all about enhancing its clean, geometric lines rather than masking them. Start by utilizing the natural landscape. Incorporate hardscaping like concrete patios, timber decking, or gravel paths that reflect the home's industrial modern aesthetic. Use lighting to highlight architectural features. Think sleek LED wall sconces, uplighting for featured trees, or recessed soffit lighting to create depth and warmth in the evening. Don't underestimate the power of minimalist landscaping. Large, structured planters with ornamental grasses or modern shrubs can add texture and soft contrast to the hard surfaces of the home. Finally, consider the materials you introduce. Adding warm with flat accents to a dark metal facade can break up the visual monotony and create a welcoming, high-end feel that bridges the gap between modern design and natural comfort. When exploring modern modular styles, several stand out for their aesthetic and functional appeal. The Scandinavian modern style is incredibly popular, focusing on light wood tones, simple forms, and a deep connection to the surrounding nature. For those who prefer a more industrial vibe, the blackened metal box style features dark, moody corrugated metal cladding paired with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass, offering a dramatic, sophisticated look. The mid-century modern modular approach utilizes flat or shed roofs, asymmetrical layouts, and integrated indoor-outdoor living spaces, perfect for those who love a retro-inspired, breezy feel. Finally, the organic contemporary style blends modular precision with earthy materials like stone, cedar siding, and warmer color palettes, ensuring the home feels harmonious within a rural or forested setting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best modern-style modular home design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the light-filled timber haven. A beautiful, cozy modular home featuring warm, vertical cedar cladding, a dual gabled roof, and expansive front-facing windows that allow natural light to flood the interior, creating a seamless visual link to the outdoors. 2. The industrial multi-level retreat. This sophisticated modular home showcases a unique two-story design featuring a detached garage integrated with a beautiful upper-level deck. Perfect for sunset views, combined with modern black metal framing and warm wood accents. 3. The open-air pavilion. A stunning example of modern simplicity, this home features flat, cantilevered roof lines that create sheltered outdoor dining areas with elegant white privacy curtains, making the transition between the grass and the living room feel completely fluid. 4. The double module desert modern. This design consists of two distinct modular sections connected by a central entrance, boasting sharp black trim against light wood paneling, featuring large sliding doors that lead out onto a spacious, rustic dark-toned timber deck. 5. The elevated sunset sanctuary. A perfect example of low-maintenance modern luxury. This home features dark corrugated steel siding paired with natural wood sections, nestled in a lush green environment with a sprawling wraparound deck that acts as an outdoor living room. 6. The monolithic black metal statement. Defined by its bold vertical standing seam black metal cladding and sharp, angular roofline, this home creates a striking contrast against the environment, featuring minimalist wood-paneled accents around the entryway. 7. The indoor-outdoor living masterpiece. This home is designed with an expansive, covered outdoor patio area that serves as an extension of the living space, featuring glass sliding doors that open completely to connect the kitchen to the exterior deck, furnished with comfortable lounge seating. 8. The stone and timber hybrid. A stunning blend of raw materials, this home features a dramatic stone chimney that serves as an anchor, a massive covered outdoor kitchen area, and a tiered wooden deck that descends beautifully into the surrounding grassy landscape. 9. The natural warmth cabin. Emphasizing the beauty of wood, this modular home utilizes gorgeous, golden-toned horizontal timber siding throughout, contrasted by a subtle dark metal roof and trim, creating a warm, inviting, and organic look. 10. The minimalist ridge view. A sleek, angular design that maximizes its view. This home features a dramatic shed roof, large glass facades, and a low-profile deck that is perfect for contemplative, quiet moments in nature, styled with simple white lounge chairs. As we've seen, modern modular homes offer an incredible intersection of efficiency, sustainability, and stunning architectural design. Whether you are looking for a compact, minimalist retreat or a sprawling luxury family home, the modular approach provides a level of quality and customization that is hard to beat in today's housing market. The ability to bring a high-end design from a factory to your lot, with minimal disruption to your land, is truly a game changer for homeowners and architects alike. If you enjoyed these modern modular home ideas, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let us know in the comments below which of these 10 designs was your favorite and what you'd like to see us cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.